諗過如果你當日冇加入過奮進，你今時今日會點樣？
有，絕對有諗過，好難去用言語講啊，可能俾人拉咗都唔定。
參加奮進之前啦，就覺得好多嘢都求其啦，做事都係嘅。咁但係參加咗逼夫之後咧，就令到我好多改進啊！每一樣嘢做嘅任何嘢都要盡力盡心去做嘅。
我覺得阿 Sir 好似爸爸咁啊，俾好多溫暖我同埋關懷。
我係梁景安，咁啊個個都叫我做 Andy 嘅。今年29歲，咁啊自我14歲開始就加入奮進欖球計劃。當時係由呢個我學校嘅一個訓導主任介紹我呢個活動嘅。
咁參加之後對你有啲乜嘢
改變就非常之大嘅。因為參加咗欖球呢個活動之後呢，越嚟就越大興趣去繼續打波，咁啊亦都打得都算係幾好，咁啊曾經都入選過啲港隊青年軍啊，或者第一組別嘅球隊去比賽。期間呢，我就接觸到好多警察嘅義工啦，亦都覺得佢哋好好人，從而就令我想加入佢哋，成為佢哋嘅一份子。
有冇諗過如果你當日冇加入過奮進，你今時今日會點樣？
有，絕對有諗過，可能俾人拉咗都唔定。因為當時我喺學校好曳啦，我身邊嘅朋友佢哋都係比較壞嘅一群，有啲人可能會經常打交，有啲人會吸毒，好多唔同嘅犯事啦。如果我冇打到欖球，我喺嗰個暑假開始，我應該就會群住佢哋一齊去唔知做啲咩，可能做其他犯法行為，或者會俾人拉咗都唔定。
我叫吳志迪，咁啊大家都叫我阿迪嘅。咁啊，今年22歲。點解會參加逼夫？就係因為喺2016年啦，咁透過學校介紹啦，喺逼夫入邊咧就識到好多唔同嘅朋友啦。而家仍然都仲喺逼夫嘅龍舟隊嘅，亦都喺度教緊啲小朋友，咁啊點樣爬龍舟啦咁樣。咁就加入咗香港龍舟隊，咁就其中一員。奮進呢個活動咧係好好嘅，可以帶俾小朋友一啲叫做希望啦，或者叫做一啲學習嘅機會啦。即係例如我自己龍舟嘅，本身龍舟嘅，咁我哋俾啲小朋友學嘅就係學一啲龍品，一啲人生上邊，好似龍舟就猶如呢個社會一樣，要乘風破浪。
我係林仁希，我係逼夫嘅成員。今年13歲，一開頭係冇咩心情嘅，同埋都有好多次缺席冇去咯，然後喺屋企打機，但係到後面翻下好多人關心我，然後就開始中意咗逼夫。我覺得阿 Sir 好似爸爸咁啊，俾好多溫暖我同埋關懷。喺我失敗嘅時候，佢會俾鼓勵我，可以入國家隊嘅。然後夢想係可以做個警察啦。
Over the last 26 years, there have been literally thousands of youngsters who have been through the program and benefited. The charity has now got challenges. The negative publicity that surrounded the police during that period means that a number of organizations are not as willing as they used to be to support police-based charities. However, I do feel that narrative is now being proven to be false, and that particularly the officers that assist me in Operation Breakthrough are doing it with their heart. They're doing it with no alternative reasons. They genuinely want to help youth at need and youth at risk. So the support of the community, the NGOs, the welfare department is slowly coming back, and we hope that will get more and more, and we can encourage more kids to join. But we now feel that now is the right time to embrace the younger generation again. I don't like to say blue and yellow anymore. I think that is an old time. Maybe mistakes were made, and it's time to look forward. I've lived here for over 30 years. My kids were born here. I enjoy my job. I really enjoy being involved in this. People call me a 鬼佬, but actually I'm a 香港鬼佬. So this is where got my friends, because ultimately Hong Kong has had these challenges, and as I said before, we all have a desire to see Hong Kong succeed because it is our home.